Julie Moreland here, your Norwex independent consultant. So I would like to talk with you about dust. I don't know about you, but dusting is one of my least favorite jobs. It is on the bottom of the to-do list and often does not get done. One reason I don't like to dust is because the dust comes back so quickly. Is that how you feel? One reason why that dust comes back so quickly is because some of us use a furniture spray, a furniture polish. And what that furniture polish does is it leaves a film on the surface. So when you're dusting, first of all, your cloth doesn't grasp onto the dust, so it releases it back into the air oftentimes, and then it settles and is attracted to that film left on the surface, so all of that dust just came right back and settled right back where you were dusting. Norwex has a product that is called the Dust Mitt. It has a long pill to the fabric, and you use it with a static charge. Give it a little bit of a rub, and what that does is it draws and helps that dust to get attracted to the dust mitt, and then the weave here catches onto that dust and grasps that dust and does not release it back into the air. You can also use a couple squirts of water if you choose. Like if you have some grime on the surface, some fingerprints, then you can wipe those up and get them nice and clean. Another great tip for using the dust mitt is getting it wet, putting it under the sink, rolling it up, wringing it out, and then you can do your window screens. It gets, because of the long pill, it gets into all of the little nooks and crannies of your your screen. So you can go up and down and clean all of your window screens. It also is helpful with going to the beach. You can wipe off all the sand off of your feet before getting into the car. We also have a kid size dust mitt if you have kids around the house. While we're speaking of dusting, we also have what's called the Enviro Wand. This Enviro Wand has like our Enviro cloth surface on the one side, and then it's our chenille surface on the other side. And you can give it a static charge, put a couple squirts of water on it if you choose, but it bends to do your fan blades. It's amazing for doing your fan blades. And again, it just attracts that dust on there and doesn't release it going off into the air. It's also great for killing spiders up in the corner, I have found, or hiding your favorite cereal away from your children. All right, so Norwex gives you a great bundle here. You can save some money and buy these 3 cloths. It is the Enviro cloth, the window cloth, and the dust mitt in a bundle of 3, and save some money that way, and it's called the household package. If you add the Enviro Wand to those 3 items, it is called the household package plus. So I want to show you how dust mitt works. I'm going to put a little bit of dust on my surface, sprinkle it around, and I will take the dust mitt. I will give it that static charge, and we'll dust that surface right up, and it grabs onto it and keeps it safe in your dust mitt. Thank you for tuning in. We'll talk to you later.